What if you could instantly jump to the exact part of any YouTube video you're looking for? No more endless scrolling, no more guessing.
One of the biggest problems with long YouTube videos isn't the content. It's finding the part you actually need. You drag the timeline, skip forward, go back, miss the section, then repeat the whole process again. After a while, you've wasted more time searching than actually learning.
That's why I use SummarizAI, a Google Chrome extension built to make learning from YouTube dramatically faster. One of my favorite features automatically creates AI-powered YouTube chapters, so I can jump to exactly what I need in seconds. Here's how it works. Open any YouTube video, click Chapters, and generate chapters. Within a few seconds, SummarizAI analyzes the entire video and automatically generates clear, structured chapter titles. Each chapter includes a clickable timestamp. Need one specific topic? Just click it. Instead of manually searching through the timeline, SummarizAI takes you directly to that exact moment. It's perfect for long lectures, online courses, tutorials, interviews, podcasts, and documentaries. Whether you're reviewing a lesson or looking for one specific answer, AI-generated YouTube chapters make navigation incredibly fast. No more endless scrolling, no more guessing. Just click and learn.
Now I spend my time learning instead of searching. I can revisit any concept in seconds and get far more value from every YouTube video I watch. Once you start using AI chapters, it's hard to go back.
If you learn anything on YouTube, you'll love this feature. Install the SummarizAI Google Chrome extension using the link below and start navigating videos the smart way.